and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enjoy our growing community for the latest updates on critical and world events. Today, we are diving deep into a major development in the Ukraine conflict, that recent delivery of Iranian missiles to Russia and how this could impact Ukraine's use of long-range missiles. We will break down all the details, explore the implications, and provide a thorough analysis. Stay with us as we uncover the full story. Recently, UK Foreign Secretary David Lammy traveled to Kyiv, Ukraine, accompanied by US Secretary of State Antony Blinken. This visit was a crucial part of ongoing decisions about how Western nations can better support Ukraine in its struggle against Russia. Their trip follows a series of important talks held in London regarding military aid and support for Ukraine. During this visit, Lammy and Blinken met with Ukrainian President Zelensky. Zelensky has been vocal about his need for more sustainable support, particularly in terms of loosening the restrictions on Western supplied weapons. He has repeatedly urged his allies to allow Ukraine to use long-range missiles more freely to target Russian positions inside Russia itself. Currently, both the United States and the United Kingdom have imposed restrictions on the use of these long-range missiles. The primary concern is that such actions could escalate the conflict further, potentially, potentially leading to a larger, more dangerous confrontations. The fear is that striking targets inside Russia might provoke a severe response from Russia, which could involve NATO countries or even escalate to nuclear tensions. However, a significant new development has emerged that complicates the situation. Iran has started supplying missiles to Russia, which is a notable shift in the conflict dynamic. This move by Iran is expected to enhance Russia's ability to conduct attacks, potentially increasing the threat to Ukrainian cities and region close to the Russian border and under Russian control. President Joe Biden was recently questioned about whether the US might reconsider its stance on allowing Ukraine to use long range missiles against Russian targets. Biden indicated that the administration is currently weighing these decisions. Earlier this year, the US did ease some restrictions permitting Ukraine to use long-range missiles to hit areas along the Russian borders where Russian troops are stationed. This was a strategic move to provide Ukraine with more flexibility while avoiding direct escalation. In addition to US supports, other Ukrainian allies have also provided long range missiles. However, these supplies come with strict conditions on their use. The allies are worried that allowing Ukraine to strike deeper into Russian territory might provoke a harsh response from Russia, potentially leading a border conflict or involving NATO in the fighting. The Russian government spokesman has warned that if the US allows Ukraine to use long range missiles to attack Russian territory, Russia will retaliate accordingly. During his visit to the UK security, Blinken accused Iran of supplying short-range ballistic missiles to Russia. He suggests that these new missiles could soon be used against Ukrainian targets. Lamy described Iran's actions as a dangerous escalation that could further complicate the conflict. These Iranian missiles could significantly boost Russia's military capability. They may allow Russia to target Ukrainian cities closer to its border or in regions already under its control. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas has denied that Iran is providing these missiles to Russia, accusing Western countries of relying on faulty intelligence and misinformation. The UK has provided Ukraine with Storm Shadow missiles, which have a range of approximately 250 kilometers, also 155 miles. So far, these missiles have only been used to target Russian positions with Ukrainian territory. Ukrainian leaders argued that they need these missiles to strike Russian air base, which are used to launch attacks from within Russian territory. At a recent press conference in Kyiv, Blinken mentioned that President Biden is likely to discuss the use of long-range missiles with UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer soon. Blinken emphasized that Russia's acquisitions of Iranian missiles represents a significant escalation by Russia, rather than by the US or its allies. Lamy did not confirm whether the US and UK would lift restrictions on Ukraine's use of long range missiles. However, he stressed the importance of providing effective support to Ukraine, particularly in light of the new threat posed by the Iranian missiles. Biden administration is still working on whether to alter its policies. Ukrainian President Zelensky has stated that Ukraine's ability to succeed in the war depends heavily on support from the United States. A Ukrainian Foreign Minister Andriy highlighted that removing the restrictions on long-range missiles is very crucial, especially given the new threat from Iran's missile supplies. Lamy argued that the transfer of Iranian missiles to Russia changes the situation and emphasized the need for increased support for Ukraine. The UK has announced an additional 600 million in aid to Ukraine, which will help with humanitarian needs, energy supports, and stabilization efforts. In parallel, the US has pledged an extra 700 million in assistance to Ukraine, focusing on humanitarian aid, energy support, and remaining activities. The new aid package comes alongside fresh sanctions imposed by the US, UK, France, and Germany on Iran for its role in supplying missiles to Russia. The UK government has also summoned Iran's top diplomat to discuss these accusations. Ukrainian Prime Minister expressed graduated for the UK's ongoing support, but also voiced hope for additional long-range equipment to enhance Ukraine's ability to strike targets within Russia. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me on today on Global Scope News. We hope this deep dive into the current situation in Ukraine and the impact of Iranian missile supplies has provided you with a clear understanding of ongoing conflict. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support helps us bring you the most important news from all around the world. See you in the next video. Take care.